The following message is being transmitted by the Ulster County Emergency Management at the request of Central Hudson Gas and Electric Corporation. This is a test of the sirens at the Sturgeon Pool Hydroelectric Dam in Riften, New York. The sirens were sounded for 2 to 3 minutes, and this is just a test. There is no emergency. If there were an emergency at the hydroelectric dam, such as flooding, overflow from the reservoir, or if the dam has severe damage and could burst open, officials would sound the siren at full volume for 5 minutes for residents living on or near the Rondout Creek to evacuate to higher ground, followed by an activation of the emergency alert system in the northeastern part of Ulster County. There is no emergency, and this is only a test.